Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix screen touch problem in any device. We just need one lighter and we have to open it very carefully. And we have to take out this thing. Well, I have downloaded this app from Google Play Store so that we can check where exactly screen touch is not working. We can see this whole portion is not working properly. So we just need to do this thing. And now let's test again. And here we go. Now I don't have any problem with my touchscreen. Perfect.